good morning, everyone. It's been a while since I last recorded a video, and that is because I'm trying to get into the initiative of posting a trade idea and just not um, posting just analysis every day. And with that said, let's go into the new month. So I'll only be doing gold for now. I'll keep to gold until I'm working on that as well. I'll show you. So very quickly to the fundamentals. There is no impact news this morning as they mostly would not be as I'm on this side of the world. The United States dollar, we have only the only impact if you are expecting is the purchasing managers index, and that will be by 4 p.m. Nigerian time today. And generally, if you look at the index, we are expecting or anticipating a 0.6 increment, which will be good for the US dollar. But generally, we are still below 50, which is something to consider. So we're expecting a bit of an increase in the purchasing managers index number today. So very quickly to the chart, and we've been trading gold long for a while now, and starting from last week Thursday, the um the narrative flipped short term to shorting gold, and on Friday I did take my first short on gold since the start of the if I'm correct, since the start of the year. I don't think I've sold gold at all. My first shot on gold. So gold has been rallying, it has been going up, and everybody has been enjoying that. Just simply, if you have the margin enough to just keep a buy position open, you could just trade gold and buy at any time. But right now, uh, we dived on Thursday, moving from almost positive 4% to negative, I believe something around 6% at sometimes in the day. And on Friday, uh, we saw a negative almost 12%, somewhere around this candle, negative 12%. But later closed around negative 9. And this morning when I woke up, I woke up to a negative 9%. And we are currently recovering to around negative 7%. But generally, we are still below the previous day low. We are below the previous week low. Uh, and right now, it is very difficult to advise a long on gold. And you can just keep up with the news as well, like I am on this tab on the left. And okay, let's make a discussion about this first. Gold has been selling out, and this is so not good. But generally, the long-term view is a buy on gold. So if you're an investor, the idea will still be a buy on gold right now. But if you're a short-term trader like I am, I may want to be cautious because I trade intraday. And if you look at the price of gold right now, we dipped below the previous week's range. If you look at here, we dipped below the week's prior week. We have dipped below 4 weeks range right now, 4 weeks low. The only low we have not reached is the previous month's low, and that is not very far away. If I go to the daily chart and look at where we are today compared to the low for the month of January, see that we're just less than 100 price point away from that low in January, from the low we rated today. And that can be really achieved by good. Even today, since London has not opened and New York has not yet opened. But really, you can expect that there will be a swing. And where I'll be looking at the most, and we flip the monthly anchor viewer bearish, which means sellers are now in control. The daily viewer is bearish as well. We are below the previous day low. It is not a good place to be longing, except you are scalping short term using other flip. So right now, where I'm looking at will be the volume weighted average price for the day, which will be that for the week as well. This is very important as this will be a critical area for rejection or continuation. So if we see an acceptance above, if we see rejection around the daily anchor gap, can try to take it down to the 4 hours low. 24-hour low formed. That is basically the idea. I can't make a call right now because we are far away from it. It might continue as New York is open, London is opening in around 40 minutes time. It might just continue that once I not reach here. But if it does reach here, to be a sweet spot to look for short continuation. Just wait for the market to bounce, react first, and then when you see confluences like 30 minutes cross below, 30 minutes low, and many others like that, I might even be willing to take it earlier. So it is a short. And if you have a claim above the daily anchor you have, and VPOC does shift because the volume, largest volume area right now is still here at around 47.18. But at the time when price reaches this, it reaches this in session open, volume VPOC will most likely shift to somewhere around there. And if you claim above both, you can look for a very quick scalp position. It must be around session open towards the daily opening price back. But this must be around session open. I won't be willing to take this if this does not happen around session open at all. So, and mostly to not be, I doubt it will be London, maybe New York. Quick scalp back upward to see that you form the daily low or perhaps a rejection, but I won't be concerned about that. Just a quick scalp. And about the account I've been trading, this video is getting long. About the account I've been trading, I've actually also uh, been done with the third phase of the account. I told you the performance trading is a three-phase account. At the third phase, you get to make a withdrawal, and that is what I'm currently in for right now. And you can see this account took time. I started on um okay, I got the account on 13. I started trading on the 14, and it has been back and forth, back and forth. At some point, last week, I believe last year around 28, I was down over minus 50% into drawdown. But some good trade opportunities presented themselves. I did find some buy opportunities, and then I went back again. Then I found this sweet sell opportunity very quickly, just a 1 minute candle sell opportunity, and did make or I did recover and got back into profit on my account. And right now I've made a request for KYC slash payout. So that is on the account. It was difficult coming down, coming from drawdown, going deep back into drawdown and like spots. That is what trading sometimes requires. You have to have the tendency. And then about what I've been working on. I've been working on the S&P 500, Bitcoin, Euro USD, as well as looking into the dollar a little bit. If I'm able to get some withdrawals in, I may be able to shift the performance trading, able to trade these other assets as well. So if I'm able to trade them, I'll be providing insights on them, maybe swing trade ideas on them mostly, and just scalp go during session all trade day, and S&P 500 during uh RTH, which is regular trading hours. But that will be later. Not much to say about that. So that's it, guys. A short, if you refuse, if you reject from the daily anchor you have slash previous day low, we do claim above and VPOC shifts on a quick scalp run to daily open price. That will be the trade idea for this morning. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Or maybe make a video in the afternoon if we are around any of these stated level. So good luck and good trades. I'll see you guys later. Bye for now.